citizen of the world. Have a wonderful day. I'm John Ray Stanislao. That is my YTC or YouTube channel account. My concept and my content is Boy Wonder, Global Citizen of the World, Citizen of the World TV channel worldwide. The more you view, like, subscribe, watch, share, and follow, the more I can help in any situation, and the more I can create job for my beloved country, Philippines. To help our economic development growth, and also helping our fellow Filipino citizens of the world to reaching and achieving their dreams in life. My business mindset is earn and to give, and I want to build something that will create support and create sports event in my country, and I would like to share the power opportunity to every each of one due to supporting the sports event nationwide in the Philippines. I'm here now in the Malaysia, country of Malaysia, part of Pennang, and the city of Pennang is in my back, and you will see and notice there's a white rabbit yacht. Then please don't skip the yacht, citizen of the world. I'm here and I'm gonna show you the city of Pennang. Hopefully one of this day I'm gonna get outside and explore more the beautiful place of Pennang and share it to you guys, citizen of the world. And stay for now I'm gonna show the view of beautiful place of Pennang in this starboard side of the spectrum of the sea. And I hope you like it, citizen of the world. Gonna share you now. I hope you like it, citizen of the world. This is the beautiful port of Pennang of Malaysia, and this is the city of Pennang. See? And this is the port of Pennang. Maybe next month or next week, hopefully that I can get out and explore more the beautiful Pennang. See this yacht, nice yacht, white rabbit yacht. This video that I'm gonna upload in the YouTube citizen of the world, I'm gonna make only for 2 to 3 minutes only. Then I hope you like the view here in the starboard side of the spectrum of the sea. The temperature here is kind of same in the Singapore and like a tropical country also. It's around almost 1 p.m. in the afternoon. If you are beside in the starboard side, yeah, it's kind of sweaty, but I think if I'm gonna walk around in the port of Pennang and go around the city, it will be more hotter than in my location. For now, enjoy it, enjoy the view. See, there's a lot of crew guests that are enjoying the place of Pennang, and they're capturing their greatest moment. And I think they will share this in their social media also, like me. Okay, citizen of the world, I'm gonna cut the video and hopefully that you like, and please don't skip the ads for my beloved country, Philippines. And thank you very much. Keep safe and have wonderful every day.